Hello, my name is Shannon and I'm a patient of Dr. Kaufman. I've always had big boobs growing up from the time that I was small to now, and it was always on my mind to get a breast reduction surgery. I just didn't know when I would want to do it or who I would feel comfortable with. I was going around looking at other surgeons and talking to other people, and it just didn't feel right, and I always thought maybe this wasn't for me, thinking that maybe the surgery wasn't what I needed. But as soon as I had that consult with Dr. Kaufman, he did make me feel really welcome, and not just like as a patient, but as like a person going through a major life surgery. So with that, it kind of encouraged me to be like, yeah, you know what, I think this is right for me. And it made me want to choose him specifically. And I think the staff itself at the Plastic Surgery Center made me really like it overall as a unit, because Dr. Kaufman is himself and he's a surgeon, but the staff also helped me make my experience much easier on my end. So post-surgery, pain was non-existent in my case. Like, I had no pain post-op, which was really nice. Basically, it allowed me just to focus on recovering, like, sleeping, making sure I'm taking my medications that were prescribed to me, and the staff to work with me and the specific needs that I had, just due to my own medical history and everything, to help me with the surgery post-op. So currently I am 6 months out of surgery, and I have been fully cleared to do pretty much my day-to-day regular life. I'm back to, of course, working my full time, which I was already doing months ago, and I'm playing sports. I'm on a softball league. So with that, and my new bras that I have in my size, I feel like I'm able to actually do more of the athletic side of my life that I've always liked to do, but with the less restraint of running out of breath and not feeling as constricted because of the tight wears that I used to have to wear before. Even just the day-to-day activities of like walking up the stairs is so in the back of my mind now that I'm like, I don't have to run out of breath when I get to the top of a staircase because of what I used to have. I think I would just tell them exactly what everyone else has told me is just do it, you won't regret it. Like, I haven't regretted it since, and I think I had more of like a mental image attached to my old self of like, this is like who I am. But ever having the surgery done, it's like, that doesn't make or break who I am. It's just a part of my body that changes, and you're allowed to actually express and be yourself more and do more things. I just want to thank the staff. Like, I think overall, like, Dr. Kaufman is great, and I do like appreciate him as a surgeon. I think he did great work and would recommend it to anybody. But the staff, I think, really made me feel welcome to come here. Like I said, like, I would email them or call them, and then they would respond back to me, of course, like post-op if it was an emergency, even like pre-op and dealing with all the insurance stuff, like just guiding me through that. I definitely had some breakdowns, but they were there for me. So it's like, it felt personal, and that's important for any type of surgery.